Hi everyone, I'm TJogi and welcome back to tutorial 7 of Coin Collector. I've just thought that the best way to handle everything I'm going to be doing in a big tutorial will be through a little script you can find on a wiki. I will link it in the description of this tutorial. It's basically a messenger. It's so you can you can execute different functions from other scripts. Natively for C# you can only link a certain amount of scripts together. This one allows you to send and broadcast a message that goes to another script that's got a listener on it, and if that's the correct one, it will then execute a certain set of code when the listener's been activated. So that way you can have a damage on a cube that you touch, and when you've to walk into this cube, you've touched this cube, it broadcasts a message saying it should hurt you, and then it hits your character vitals, and then your character vitals will start decreasing by I believe I do random amounts for some stuff, or a fixed amount. It just takes your health down that much, and for that what we're going to need to do is create a new folder and call it CS Messenger Extended. C# Messenger Extended, that's pretty much what that stands for. Now what we want to do is I'll link this into the description so you don't actually have to search for this yourself, but at the bottom of this wiki you'll see a little subheading code. Now in here what you want to do is you want to copy all of this code here, copy it, and then you need to create a script that has this name exactly, so messenger without the .cs. I'll show you what I mean. If I go back to Unity, create a new C# script, call it messenger, open that script up. Would you believe me if I just finished the last tutorial and then I completely forgot to add this in here? So this is a quick 7th tutorial that I will probably have go live, I believe about half an hour after the first one. Right, now when you're in this script, you delete everything in here and then you paste in the code you copied. Then you save that script, and then that script's done. And then you scroll down and you should see another one here. There you go. Messenger unit test. Copy this, same as you did before. Go into Unity, in the same folder, create another C# script. Call it messenger unit test. Was messenger unit test, wasn't it? I'm not losing my mind. Yes, it was. Then you load that up in the editing program of your choice. I use Visual Studio because it comes with Unity 5 and it's much better. Now you paste that in here, save, and then that's you done. This should be all ready for the next time. I'll go away. It should be ready by the next time. So let's say I open my playerhood script. There's an easy way to check if this is working. In the start, that's just anywhere. Messenger, there you go, messenger dot broadcast, and we've already got the syntax in here now. Hello. Doesn't actually matter what you put in here at the moment, but we'll be. But the best test you can do to make sure that what you just copied over works is to try using messenger or messenger add listener. See, add listener. Mainly what we're doing is using messenger.broadcast, and we'll also be using messenger.addListener. Those are the two main functions. The broadcasts broadcasts the message, and the listener on another script listens for that a specific named message to come back. With that done though, just a quick easy tutorial that I forgot to add on the end. I might call this tutorial 6.5 actually. Anyway, thank you all for watching, and this here we'll be using in the next tutorial on later on down the line, guaranteed. All credit though for the lovely people who actually made this. Oh, and if you want to read through here, it says writing an event listener, void on speed change, float speed, this speed, on enable, messenger float the add listener, speed changed, and what to call. But you can have a read through the documentation here, and it actually tells you how you can actually use some of these, which we might come back to if my mind goes blank. But thank you all for watching. I'm a Tea Junkie, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.